Hey guys, it's Clary, and today I'll be letting you know the top 7 RPG and fantasy Minecraft mods. Number 1. Iron Spells and Spellbooks. If you want spellcasting done right, this is your mod. It introduces a simple yet deep spellcasting system with mana, armor, relics, and unique wizard classes. This casts powerful spells like black holes and elemental attacks. You can explore new magical structures and face 2 spellcasting bosses. There's also hostile wizards that roam the world for epic encounters. And it's got balanced combat, it's easy to learn, it's visually stunning, and adds both adventure and RPG elements. Number 2. RPG Series. This is a perfect choice for multiplayer servers. The RPG series adds classic RPG classes like Wizard, Paladin, Priest, Archer, Rogue, Death Knight, and many more. Each class has specific balanced abilities for cooperative or faction-based play. It's got a strong focus on teamwork and party dynamics, and it feels like an actual MMO inside Minecraft. Number 3. Spellblades and Such. This mod uses the same spell engine as the RPG series, but it takes a flashier approach to magic. It adds powerful spells and weapons with wild animations. You can perform air slams, spinning attacks, and flashier acrobatics. And there's no locked classes. You can mix and match abilities freely. It's great for players who love action-packed, visually dramatic spellcasting. Number 4. If you crave world-ending magic, this is the mod for you. This adds devastating large-scale spells, laser beams, cannons, and anti-gravity abilities. This is over-the-top combat that can wipe out armies or level terrain. But the only bad thing about it is that some spell effects may not render perfectly with shaders, but it's pure cinematic chaos. Number 5. Fantasy Armor, Medieval Series. Channel your inner knight, witch, or dark warlord with this mod. This adds beautiful medieval and fantasy armor sets inspired by Skyrim and Dark Souls. Each armor grants unique passive effects and bonuses. All sets are crafted with netherite, making them balanced yet powerful. And it's got great detailed models. This is perfect for immersive medieval or dark fantasy mod packs. Number 6. Ice and Fire Dragons. This is a legendary mod that brings dragons and mythic beasts to Minecraft. You can hatch, tame, and ride dragons. You can encounter trolls, sea serpents, orcs, undead, and more. And you can explore new structures and loot mythic gear. This is a timeless classic and it adds a real high fantasy adventure to any world. And number 7. When Dungeons Arise. This brings epic exploration and massive structures to your world. It adds a huge handcrafted dungeons, each with unique themes and challenges. It's beautiful with shaders and perfect for any adventure map. It's the best dungeon mod in Minecraft.
Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye guys!